What's the meaning of crunchy? Crunchy. Crunchy.
Crunchy. Crunchy. Crunchy is an adjective used to describe a food item that has a crisp texture when chewed. When you bite down on something crunchy, it produces a satisfying sound that indicates the food is fresh and has a pleasing texture. This can be achieved through various means, such as baking, frying, or adding crispy toppings. Foods that are commonly described as crunchy include chips, crackers, toasted bread, vegetables like carrots or celery, and fried chicken. Overall, if a food is described as crunchy, it is likely to provide a pleasant tactile experience while eating.